Donna, we met on LinkedIn. We've chatted a few times. I think you are absolutely amazing and completely hilarious. Would you tell people more about yourself?
I've got a visual impairment for all practical purposes. I am totally blind. If you were introducing me for a gig, my lead-in line is, please welcome disability diplomat, karaoke goddess, and in her words, always the last one chosen for Pictionary, Donna Mack.
Um, I love it. Well, and that just completely illustrates why I wanted to talk to you and I wanted to film it because we've spoken a couple of times and all and all we do is go, we should really be recording this. But because I talk about how to use humor as a way to build trust and rapport and how to, well, really how to build connection. And just in
Sure.
that, that's in your intro. So before you even get on stage, let alone before you open your mouth,
Right.
you are very intentionally using humor to
Oh,
to
absolutely. And I had to change that last line because I started by saying, please welcome disability diplomat, karaoke goddess, and always the last one chosen for Pictionary. Well, I had a couple of people who were, going to read the intro and they were just really buttoned up people, which I am so not a buttoned up person. They were like, I can't read this. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, I wrote it. It's not gonna offend anybody. It's
oh,
funny,
so they were
you
they
know.
were
So
worried.
yeah. And so I was, brainstorming with some other speaker friends and I'm like, how can I get around this? And they're saying that, and somebody came up with the brilliant idea to say, and in her words, so that takes the ownership off the, really buttoned up MC or,
Right. Well, that makes sense. I mean, that's a good way to thread that needle because you sort of want, I mean, anyone who knows humor knows that that buttoned up MC would not have the capacity to come up with that joke on their own.
Oh, exactly, exactly. Disability is an uncomfortable topic, so you may as well make it fun.